This solar-charged outdoor light has great uses. Can be used as an emergency light or flashlight. Can also be used as a rechargeable battery to charge your phone. It's so useful. This wall target just right for you. Backlight shows the target on the wall and the punching position and follows the rhythm of the punching practice. This fan is so cool. The USB jack is very convenient. Automatic display clock and temperature. Great wind power, a must in summer. This inflatable U-shaped pillow can be carried around easily. Folded only the size of the hand. Totally travel essential.